Drywall holes from electrical work or plumbing access can totally wreck the vibe of your walls if you don't patch them right. So let me tell you how to fix those up like a pro without any fuss. Alright, first off, grab a drywall repair kit because it's got everything you need, like joint compound, mesh tape, and a putty knife. Makes life way easier. Start by cleaning the hole edges, getting rid of any loose bits so the patch sticks well. Next, if the hole is big, cut a piece of drywall to fit snugly inside and screw it to a wooden backing or stud for solid support. Then slap some mesh tape over the seams to keep cracks from coming back and spread a thin layer of joint compound over everything with your putty knife. Let it dry completely. This part takes patience, but trust me, it's worth it. After it's dry, sand it smooth with fine grit sandpaper so you can barely see where the patch is. If needed, do a second coat of compound and sand again until it's perfect. Finally, paint over the patched area with matching paint, and boom, your wall looks like nothing ever happened. One of the biggest mistakes with drywall repair is not prepping the hole properly, like leaving jagged edges or dust behind, which makes the patch peel off later. Fix this by cleaning and trimming the hole neatly before patching. Another common issue is skipping mesh tape or using too little joint compound, which leads to cracks showing up after a while. Just be generous with tape and compound for a strong hold. Lastly, rushing the drying time or sanding too early can mess up the finish. Always wait for full drying and sand gently to get that smooth look. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, making those repairs way less stressful. Plus, it helps contractors find good work easily, so everyone wins when it comes to fixing up your home right.